Welcome to the world of endless adventures with single unit MAPS. The ultimate customized outdoor playing equipment designed to ignite the imagination and thrill the hearts of children everywhere. Imagine the excitement as they race down the Roto Double slide. Feeling the wind in their hair and the thrill of speed beneath their feet. Swing into laughter and joy on the H-swing, where every sway brings a new moment of exhilaration and delight. And when it's time for some strategic fun, gather round for a game of X and O, sparking friendly competition and strategic thinking. Watch as they conquer the heights of the Jumble Climber, testing their agility and courage with every step, reaching new summits of fun. Introducing the Royal Family Swing, a majestic addition to any playground or outdoor space, where luxury meets durability for an unparalleled swinging experience. Step into a realm of elegance with its alluringly designed FRP, fiber-reinforced plastic, roof, adding a touch of sophistication to every swing session. Take a seat on the Royal Family Swing and sink into comfort like never before. So, elevate your outdoor space with the Royal Family Swing, where elegance, comfort, and resilience come together to create a swinging sensation fit for royalty. Welcome to the world of outdoor fun with our latest innovation, the Pony Merry-Go-Round. Designed with boundless joy and endless adventures in mind, this custom-built outdoor play equipment is every child's dream come true. Vibrant colors dancing under the sun, laughter filling the air, and little ones spinning around in delight. Get ready to spring into action with our latest outdoor play sensation, the Spring Rider. A dynamic blend of durability and excitement, engineered to withstand all weather conditions.